Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
The frenzy for non-fungible tokens, NFT, is nowhere near finished. As a matter of fact, crypto sweethearts have just barely started to scratch the profundities of potential outcomes that the crypto resources held for crypto-related environments and networks. One of the enterprises with the biggest NFT impression is the gaming business. The gaming business has been changed into a market with tradable things and different assets through tokenizing these things to guarantee uniqueness, inseparability, and no replicability, as well as forestall extortion. At first, the game world's things, characters, and assets were generally comparable. Clients could change them as game frameworks permitted. Yet, imagine a scenario in which you could solely possess your personality, own assets, and things upheld by authoritative reports inside the gaming scene. This could make more prominent unique interaction and submersion for gamers, correct? The Enjin network attempts to make this a reality by making an interconnected environment of organizations zeroed in on gaming items. With Enjin, game designers can make in-game things tradable and adaptable. What is Enjin Coin, ENJ? The Enjin project, made in 2009, is an interconnected organization of blockchain-related gaming items. It permits gamers and designers to trade in-game advanced things tokenized on the Ethereum blockchain with certifiable worth. The local coin of the Enjin project is the Enjin Coin. The venture was educated by the expect to make on-chain programming instruments which work with the creation, exchange, and adaptation of inventive items with blockchain. With the Enjin innovation, business and engineers can back their resources up by means of Enjin Coin and adapt these resources. The pioneers behind the Enjin project incorporate Maxim Blagov, the CEO and imaginative chief, and Radomski Vitek, its main specialized official. Enjin coordinated blockchain in 2012, explicitly, the Ethereum blockchain, when Radomski acknowledged he could transform his thought into reality by means of Ethereum savvy contracts. Enjin runs on a savvy contract assortment, permitting engineers to mint extraordinary fungible and non-fungible tokens. These tokens are then placed on the Enjin commercial center where they can be exchanged or traded. Enjin keeps course genuinely scanned through a unique cycle adjusts the proportion of custom tokens to EJN. The Enjin project eliminates the Enjin coin from dissemination as additional custom tokens are made to progressively make the coin scant and build its worth. At the point when clients buy the Enjin commercial center, by means of a mix of both on-chain and off-chain processes, the Enjin organization, using the outside or believed stages which collaborate with client wallets, quickly refreshes the client's favorite objective with their bought thing or a non-tradable rendition of the computerized thing until the exchange gets affirmed on the Ethereum blockchain. Enjin Coin, ENJ, Fundamental Analysis. Enjin Coin is the focal point of a groundbreaking pattern inside the crypto local area. With its administrations vested in the gaming and non-fungible token people group, the potential for development is enormous. Also, as the metaverse and Web3 projects progressively become the dominant focal point, the requirement for personalization of computerized things would increment, thus would the tokenized in-game craftsmanship and material markets grow. This extension, we can securely say, would decidedly affect the improvement of crypto specialist co-ops like Enjin inside the gaming, NFT and metaverse specialties. Versatility. One of the greatest benefits of the Enjin network is its presence on the Ethereum organization. With the steady extension of the Ethereum organization and its rising framework advancement, Enjin makes certain to profit from the second greatest and ostensibly one of the most adaptable organizations inside the crypto local area. Previously, Enjin's most memorable scaling arrangement was a transition to JumpNet to handle high Ethereum gas charges and dispose of exchange costs. It later sent off the Infinity NFT Parkway, which would permit a few wallets, trades, and commercial centers to oversee exchanges with higher versatility. The scaling arrangements of JumpNet and Infinity made an eternity-free Ethereum scaling plan and multi-chain interoperability. Joint efforts. As a stage that gives on-request benefits, Enjin has made a great deal of strong associations in the crypto business. Enjin, right off the bat, generally profits by its presence on the Ethereum blockchain, as the believability of the ETH network appears to come off on it. Enjin's Infinity cooperated with the Polkadot organization to send off its metaverse on the Polkadot organization. Furthermore, Enjin has the support of the greatest crypto trades inside the business. Enjin is likewise an organization with Shopping.io, permitting clients to spend their crypto resources on famous e-business stages, Stormright, a rebounds per game on Xbox, and Blockster, a maturing informal organization. Finally, Enjin is in association with industry monsters like Samsung, Microsoft, Ubisoft, Unity, Changely, Unity, PC Gamer, Energy Sports, Bancor, and Integrated Engineering Blockchain Consortium, among others. Enjin Coin, ENJ, price. Enjin is at present worth $0.544906 ENJ has moved minus 5.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $42,886,236. Enjin is at present position 78 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $481,883,232. Enjin, ENJ, price prediction 2022. Enjin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. ENJ. The ENJ cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.817359. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.762868 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ENJ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.653887. Enjin, ENJ, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Enjin ENJ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ENJ will before long outperform $1.36. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ENJ's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ENJ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.09 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.20. Enjin, ENJ, price prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.91 and ENJ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a